Hey guys, it's Maxine. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking my clients' blonde ends and I'm going to be dyeing them back to like a silver color. So this was a corrective color a long time ago. This is my normal client, but a long time ago she had very dark brown hair and we actually completely lightened all of that dark brown out. I didn't film a video on it because at the time I didn't do YouTube. This was quite a while ago, but I do have a picture and I'll insert the picture of the transformation. But her natural roots have been growing out for a couple of years now, so I feel like all of the previous hair color that we eventually lifted out and turned to a silver, I'm pretty sure that's all gone now. This is all her natural gray, white gray hair, but white gray hair always tends to turn yellow when it oxidizes with the sun. So this is all her natural, and her natural color is super, super white. And yes, it's like a light gray, very white. And like I said, this yellow that's in her hair right now is natural. This is just from the sun. Gray hair tends to do that. It turns yellow. So basically I'm toning all of this yellow out of her hair. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I mix up to do it, but I'm going to be toning her hair first, and then I'm going to be applying a silver color to give her more of this really pearly silver type of color instead of her having to deal with these yellow ends when her natural whitish silver color is so beautiful. She doesn't have to deal with these yellow ends, you know. Years ago, before they even had toners and glazes and silver colors and things like that, if a client, an older client, had gray hair that had a little bit of yellow kind of tinging out, you know what I mean? The stylist would do a rinse on that client's hair, a violet rinse or a blue rinse or something like that. And I think that's still used with older clients and stuff, but not really anymore. Now we have colors toners and silvers and things like that. But years ago it was a rinse. But yeah, natural gray and white hair always tends to oxidize with the sun, and it gets this yellow tinge to it. So basically I'm correcting this for my client today. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how I erase all of this yellow and give her a nice silver color again. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you guys want to see more color videos in the future. I'm always posting all types of videos about hair, so for sure subscribe and like this video if you like it. Leave me any questions or comments you have in the comment section and I'll answer as many as possible. Also, follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting all of my clients' hair with the formulas written out. So I definitely always try to write out all the formulas and write them out on my post. So follow me on Instagram and check that out. And hit the bell next to the subscribe button for post notifications. That'll turn them on so that you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And all right, guys, if you want to see me take this client and give her silver hair, then definitely keep watching. So I'm at a different station today, so it's a little bit of a different view, but that's because I was doing a client and I just did this client while the other one was processing, so I just, took over a different station for the moment. But I already mixed up the color and I'm using Matrix Color Sync, which is demi-permanent, and I mixed up 10V, which is violet. That's just going to cancel this yellow out, and I mixed it with 10 volume. And yeah, so that's going to sit on I'm going to let this sit on for 20 minutes to really get this yellow as toned out as possible. And the silver color that I'm putting it on later is definitely violet also, and that's going to make it silver, but I'm basically pre-toning right now, so I want to get this toned and I want the violet to kind of cancel as much of the yellow out as possible, and then the silver can take care of the rest. But I'm basically only putting this on her, roots to ends, but I'm leaving it off of the white root because there's no reason to put it on the white root. I don't want to turn her white roots violet, so I'm just kind of feathering up to the root a little bit. And I'm putting this mostly, I'm just kind of spot treating it a little bit. I'm really concentrating it on this yellow, the yellow bits. And yeah, so this is a really quick application. Like I said, I'm just slapping it on all the yellow, and I'm going to be combing this through a bit, just leaving it off of the root. So it's just going to be kind of feathered up to the root a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to be letting this sit on for a nice 20 minutes to tone this as much as possible. And I really love like toners and how they just, you know, transform the color right before your eyes. And you can already see this is like toning it really nice. It almost looks silver right now, you know what I mean? It's basically turning it silver, you know, because it's such a light color, but I still added a silver color after because I really wanted it to even bump closer into the silvers. As her color is almost done processing, there's like 5 minutes on the timer, I'm mixing up Matrix So Color Cult in Demi, and I mixed Disco Silver that is mostly violet. It's super, super violet. It's going to give us like that really pretty silver. And I rinsed all of that first, like I rinsed all of the color off, like the very first color I did. I rinsed that totally off, and then I just put on the Disco Silver and I combed it all through on the ends. But I did it the same way. I applied it the exact same way. I left it off of the root and I just feathered it up a bit with the comb, but as you can see, it's turning this really nice and silver and no more yellow, you know, like it looks much more natural and it just looks so good on her skin tone and everything. Okay, and this is the final result, all complete. And this was definitely a quicker video, but you can see this is such a pretty color. This is definitely, you know, more of like a whiter silver tone, no more yellow left in the hair. She has such a pretty natural color on her roots, and, you know, sometimes these colors need to be maintained. Like, you know, it's always natural to get a little bit of yellow on the ends, but it was a while since we had done this, so it was pretty yellow on the ends when she came in. But yeah, all of her silver is back. It looks so good on her. Literally, it looks so pretty, you know? I love this color. It looks really good on her skin tone, like I was saying before, and it just complements her really well. And she used to have really dark brown color, like we would do it really dark brown, and her roots would grow in super white, and she was coming in like every 3 weeks for a root touch up. And so yeah, we transformed her into this beautiful silver, and we just absolutely love it. And yeah, a little bit of maintenance to get this silver back to a really pretty, you know, metallic shiny state is necessary, but it just takes like a quick toner. And like I said, we did that silver on wet hair after the toner was rinsed off. Did the silver on wet hair, Disco Silver, and then I let that sit for 20 minutes. I forgot to mention that. I let that sit for 20 minutes, and yeah, it came off, and we washed it, conditioned it, and I blow dried it just so I could show you guys the final result. She usually likes to leave with her hair damp because she just likes to let it air dry, but she let me blow dry it for the video. So shout out to my client. Thank you. And yeah, so we absolutely love this silver. It looks so pretty on her. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see color videos in the future. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you. And yeah, that's why I wanted to come out with this quick video, because even though it was really quick, you know, easy one, I think this would help a lot of people because it's a little tricky. Silver colors are always a little bit tricky, and sometimes people don't know how to make the hair silver and they don't know what to do with the yellow tinge that happens and stuff like that. So hopefully this helps. And yeah, if it helped you, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anybody that you think it could help. Leave me a comment in the comment section or ask me any questions. I always try to answer as many as possible. And follow me on Instagram because I always post all of my posts with the formula all written out on my Instagram. So follow my Instagram. It's at Maxine Glynn. I always leave that linked in the description. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break.